Hi, middle school families. We are getting ready to start a very unusual year this year. And Ms. Surza and I want you to know that we are excited to see your kiddos virtually on Monday morning. And we want to show you exactly how to do that. So we are going to be starting off in our Google Classroom rather than our in-person classroom this year. So here we go. On Monday morning, when the kids start to get ready for school, they're going to go to Google Classroom. It's classroom.google.com. And they'll need to use their Level Up Academy email account to log in that I sent to you with this video. So you have that. And they should, when they get here, see 3 classes that have invited them to join. They should have our middle school one, their physical education one, and their STEAM one. And each one should have a join button on it. So they'll just join each of those. Then I'm going to show you what's in ours. For those of you who did distance learning with us last year, things are very similar, so your kids will know what to do. But we have made some improvements, so you'll be seeing those as we go along. For those of you who are new, know that we go slow at the beginning of the year to go fast later on. So we will spend the first few weeks learning systems, getting to know each other, and teaching digital skills that the students will need to be successful. So you don't have to worry about being ready to go on day one. We're going to guide the students through getting all set up and ready to go, and they end up becoming very self-directed. So here we go. So when they get into their Google Classroom, one thing you're going to want to know is this stream view is not actually very helpful that we're seeing right now. It's the order that I've posted things, and it's kind of random. So you're going to want to click on the classwork tab at the top up there. And when you do that, you'll see how we've got things set up. Along the side here are topics and resources that you can find, everything from how to get a hold of us, to sample daily schedule, to our school directory, tutorials on the things we'll be using. Everything you need will be here. Then you'll see that there are links and assignments here. So we're going to be doing more live things this year, and I'm going to tell you about those in just a little bit. Morning circles, afternoon activities, help sessions. But then the main thing that students will need to see when they get here is that their assignments and lessons are all here. So their lessons will be recorded on video. They'll be posted here, and their assignments will be posted here as well. So they'll come here to find out what's due. At the beginning, it will do one day at a time, and then as we get more into things, we'll do a whole week's worth of assignments at a time, and the students can work their way through those at their own pace. So the live stuff that we're doing to help is going to be fun, I think, and we want you to be able to find it easily. So here's the button you need for that. You're going to go to the In the Classwork tab again, into the Google Calendar. You will find the links to the live events that we have going on. So I'm going to show you what those look like. So our first day of school here, this is the month view. You can switch up here to see by the day or by the week. I like the month view. So first day of school, we'll start with a morning circle at 9:45. We'll have a help session from 10 to 11:30 and another help session at 1 o'clock. And those will be going on every day that we're doing our learning from home. And then in the afternoon, STEAM and gym classes will be happening live on Zoom as well. So at 3 o'clock, one of our middle school groups will have PE and the other will have STEAM. Then the next day, on the 15th, Tuesday, you'll see all the morning circle and help sessions are the same, but then the groups switch. So the group that had gym on Monday will now have STEAM and vice versa. Then on Wednesdays, when we're on site with the students who are doing the hybrid model, then we will have our help session in the afternoon at 3 o'clock. So there are also some help sessions for STEAM and gym that day if there are questions that you have for those teachers as well. So, and then in the afternoon on those days, on Wednesdays, there will be some choices of fun things our distance learners can do while the hybrid kiddos are on site. So you'll find the links there. All right, so here's what you need to know. One-stop shop. Every morning, kiddos come to Google Classroom and use the classwork tab and find the live links for the day in the Google Calendar. Again, we're going to go slow to go fast. All of our students had a very successful time during our distance learning this spring. Everyone completed all their assignments, and kids grew in their learning during this time. So we are confident that we've got you covered, and that we are going to make it a good year, even though we can't be together in person every day. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions that you have, and we'll see you on Monday morning at 9:45 at our morning circle. Have a good weekend.